All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, splassive network, drip network, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're talking about Tectonic. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter account. It's down slightly right this second. What's going on with Tectonic? Also staking with Tectonic. Going to dig into that a little bit. Then we're going to talk about here's why Solana could be the face of OpenSea's NFTs. We're going to talk about that. And then we're going to go over to splassive. 2% a day. Get 360% back on your initial investment. 2% every day with splassive. We're going to cover that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, over here, coin market cap Tectonic is 3105. It's down slightly in the last 7 days, down about 3% in the last 24 hours. We're going to go ahead and click it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1015. We'll come back to our price prediction a little bit later. Down about 3% for today. The last 7 days, it's down slightly. It actually had a nice little bump going up here for a little bit, then it kind of came back down. But from 7 days to the other 7 days, it's pretty much the same. Over here at their Twitter account, Tectonic, a cross-chain money market on Cronus's chain. They have exceeded 1 billion in total supply, so there's over 1 billion in total supply. Thanks to the Tectonians for the big milestone. Head over to the app, the Borrow app. Just launched our TUSD market today. Double-digit yields right now, probably nothing. And finding out about Tectonic staking. Good morning, Tectonians. All right, right here again is the staking part of it. So Tectonic with staking, running over to the website, Tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yields and access instant-backed loans. Powered on Cronus. It's got over $1 billion in total supplies with 606 being borrowed. Generate passive yields on your assets. Crypto assets deposited in the Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on the dynamic rate according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. All right, that's fantastic. Instant loans. Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Gets instant loans to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets in your Tectonic. Yeah, now if you have idle crypto and it's just sitting there and you're using that strategy that it hopes it goes to the moon, you can actually put your idle crypto into Tectonic and actually basically earn your liquidity, unlock liquidity by your idle crypto. Keeping your funds safe is our top priority. Audited by smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by leading blockchain securities audited slow miss. The insurance fund is coming soon. The open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic is proudly committed to. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're going to come back to Tectonic in a little bit, do a little price prediction. All right, the face of OpenSeas could be Solana. What's up with that? Why are we saying that? Let's go ahead and head over and find out. All right, here's why Solana could be the face of OpenSeas. Take a look at that. OpenSeas and Solana. What's going on here, everybody? That could be happening in April. The world's largest NFT marketplace, OpenSea, rose to popularity thanks to all the hype and everything of the NFTs. Expansion. OpenSea was looking to onboard Solana as a peer of recent teasers shared on Twitter. The NFT market will include Solana in its system next month. We just saw the video right there. The NFT community has been flooding OpenSea with queries regarding the addition of Solana. Finally, the demands of the public OpenSea decided to include the altcoin. Dun, 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 dun. It was spectacular, and the platform could have started working on the integration of Solana into January in 2022 or earlier, but back in January, Jane Wong had shared images on how OpenSea had displayed support for Solana's wallet. As a revolution, the community has been expecting confirmation from OpenSea itself As a result, the above news was not a surprise. Could Solana soon be taking the throne? Well, Solana has been emerging as the talk of the crypto town. With multiple updates and price performance, Solana is at the top of its game. Altcoin started as the Ethereum killer, and it now seems to be bringing this to life. The DeFi and NFT space is primarily dominated by Ethereum. The tables were turning with OpenSea's welcoming Solana into the ecosystem. So yeah, everybody, this could be a big thing right here. OpenSeas and Solana. Here's why Solana could be the face of OpenSeas. So now if you're into Solana and you're thinking that you always like Solana, this could also make that coin basically go to the moon. So do your homework, do your research. All our information is for educational purposes only. All right, that's some great news, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, let's go ahead and head over to Splassive. 360%, 2% a day. What's up with this? All right, over here at the website, Splassive, the next biggest passive income printer on the Avalanche network. You can buy it, you can stake it, and you got your splash pad. Now, they talk about the stats. There's 6,000 people that are doing this right now. They're getting a 2% daily return with 100,000 supplies, 45,000 transactions. Right now, Splassive is being sold for almost at $40, $39.46. They got the chart right here. You can check it out. Coming up to the top and clicking the well. The well here's where you can buy Splash tokens. You can also sell your Splash tokens. Let's go ahead and do some selling of the Splash. We'll click this right here. Looks like I got 0.657 in there. Well, let's go ahead and add that in there. Click sell, and right now we're actually selling the Splassive and turning it into Avalanche. Hit confirm, pay a little gas fee. Again, showing you how simple this is. We were cashing out a little bit today, cashing out a little bit yesterday. Now we're turning our Splassive tokens into Avalanche. Waiting for the transaction to confirm. Boom, the sell has been confirmed. So that's pretty simple right there. So you can buy your Splassive tokens right here and you can sell it. Little example there again, being sold for $39.42. Going over to the tap here. Here's some of our statistics. I got 36 deposits in the Splash, about $1,400. That's paying me 2%, which is right here. Take the 2%, right there is 1%. So that'd be $28 a day. So let's blow that up for everybody. 14 is 1%, so 28 is 2%, so I'm making $28 a day. I've already claimed 11 Splash tokens for $458. My max payout is $130. I've already claimed 11, so you would subtract that. So I still got 119 more payouts to go. So that's some pretty exciting stuff here. And what does it say about Splassive? Splassive Tap is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similar to high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on your investment up to 360%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, compounding rewards, as well as team-based bonus. Now here's the thing, everybody. You can actually, right here, you can claim your money or you can fill back up and re-compound. When you compound, they say that compound interest is like the 9th or 8th wonder of the world. But you can actually compound the money or claim the money. So dig into a little bit deeper with the tap and Splassive. Just doing a little bit, skimming over here real quick. Now, if you do want to try Splassive out, I'm going to go ahead and leave my link in the bottom. It's got all your stats. It's got team tools about the Splassive. Players can participate by purchasing Splash from the platform The Well. Joining another user's Splash team, 1 Splash minimum required, so you got to deposit at least 1 Splash. Depositing Splash to the tap contract earns a consistent 2% daily return of your Splash, 360% maximum payout passively. Players can compound their earnings through regular deposits, rolling the rewards, as well as team-based referrals. Unlike many other platforms promising a consistent daily return, the tap contract cannot drain and will always be able to provide the Splash that has been rewarded. Splash rewards have come from a 10% tax on the Splash transactions on the buys and sells from the well. If there is ever a situation where the tax pool is not enough to pay Splash, rewards new Splash will be minted to ensure the rewards are paid out. Given the game theory behind the Splash network, probability of that sim will never be mint will never happen. All right, so they kind of talk all about it here. So it's a nice little thing. Do your own homework. Again, all your information is for educational purposes only. Just wanted to share. I get asked in my comments what different projects we're doing. I like the splassive. I got 36 deposits in there. Check it out, making $28 a day. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's head back over to Tectonic. All right, back over at the website here. Some frequently asked questions. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial algorithmic money marketing protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income. That's a big thing, everybody, passive income. Or borrow funds to unlock liquidity. So again, you can borrow funds or you can get passive income. Either ways, it sounds pretty good. Funds deposited by users are provided as liquidity to borrowers who may borrow at a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rate. Tonic is a Tectonic protocol token with two key uses cases: governance and staking into the community insurance pool to secure the protocols and earn more rewards. So a lot of good stuff going on with Tectonic. Over here doing a little price prediction. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1013. I'm thinking it could be 5 zeros and a 1085. Now remember, do all your own homework. All our information is for educational purposes only. All right, just want to kind of cover Bitcoin and Ethereum real quick. Bitcoin is up 10%. It's at 47,000. It's real high in the 40s, which is nice. Ethereum's at 3,400. It's up 12%. So we got some nice movers going on. BNB is up 10% in the last 7 days. XRP is up 4%. Cardano's up 8%. Take a look at Solana. It's up 30%, and Avalanche is also up 20%. So the top 10, and Terra Luna is up 13%. All right, everybody, Tectonic. Lots of things going on with Tectonic. Covered the splassive a little bit, checking that out. And Solana, can it become the face of OpenSea? I don't know. You tell me. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about splassive so you can get 2% a day up to 360%, 180 days. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and you have a wonderful day.